How's it going, guys? Got a couple new things in for the wife's car, and a couple new things for the Prelude. What we're gonna do is just show you what I did, because I didn't really record it. Again, I lost my goddamn video camera. It must have slid underneath the seat, and I didn't know it, so we finally found it. So I'll just show you what I did and what we got and what we're gonna do. And yeah, I guess I'm not gonna talk too much. We got like 2.5 months here until the shows in Wisconsin, or a couple of shows and meets and whatnot, start happening here about April. So I'm trying to get all the cars in at least decent shape for this year. And yeah, so we should have a lot of cool shit coming and whatnot. Got a new windshield for the Prelude, got some new tires. I painted the rims, got the clutch line all figured out, whole bunch of stuff. So I'm just gonna walk through it and kind of talk about it as I go, I guess. Maybe record a little bit on putting my brother's spindles in his Integra. We got some new wheel bearings pressed in, and hubs, and we're gonna put in some new axles too. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna stop talking and walk through it. So here we go. So Prelude, painted the rims white instead of black, and with the white lip. I didn't really care for it. We had two 15s on here, 215/45 17s, and I went a little bit wider this time. I went 225/45 17, so a little bit wider, a little more traction here, but they're nice. Some drill slotteds on it. She's ready. Some freshy shoes for her. Got that. Let me get back and show you it better. Kind of go slow. She's actually sitting pretty good. Yeah, so I got that. I got no more cracked windshield, and I actually have a seal here. These seals on these Preludes are no joke, for real. Like, it took us, the Safe Flight couldn't do it, and then so I helped them, and then it took us like an hour and a half to get the window seal on the window. So basically I installed the damn window, and then they charged me like $300 on top of it, but whatever. It's in, and it's not broken, so no more $200 in tickets every time I get pulled over. Buffed out the headlights a little bit. Gonna paint her. Probably when I shoot my wife's car, I'm gonna sand this down, scuff it, and shoot it real quick. Nothing fancy, super fancy, you know, just white again. So maybe some flake in it. But yeah, that's that. And we'll go over here and show you my wife's Del Sol. We sanded a little bit more on it. We got the spindles out and whatnot. We've got some wheel bearings in it. So we're gonna install those, do some more sanding. Installed the rack. Got a new rack for it. Manual steering rack. So we got that in it. We got some motor mounts, some solid motor mounts. What else we get? We got the VMS polished aluminum radiator, head gasket, ARP head studs, the other motor mounts. We got a brand new head here, D16 Z6 head instead of the Y8 head we have on the D16 block. We just having too many problems with it, and the head was tired in the beginning, so we're gonna put this on it. So it's totally D16 now again. We got some more stuff. I don't know where the hell it is. It's kind of a mess right now. But we got my brother's Integra. We're gonna be sticking some spindles in. I might throw that clip in here and so it's not all talking. Just do some fast forward type shit. I don't know what you guys call it. I'm not all fancy like that. Don't know all that shit, but yeah, that's all the updates. Oh, I got a Grand Prix 2004 Grand Prix Supercharged that I bought. It's pretty clean. It's just a flipper. Put a new water pump and shit on that. It's ready to be sold. I got a little small exhaust leak I'm gonna fix, but yeah. Customer's four-wheeler. I'll record some more on that stuff, but I'm gonna get to it here and see how much we can get filmed. Till then. How's it going? We're back here with 608 Garage. Today got some parts in for the Prelude, so we're gonna end up installing those today. What I got is some rain guards for the windows, because the Prelude is so long and the windows are so big. When the window's cracked, a lot of rain comes through, and I don't want the water in my car. These things have enough leaks already on their own, so we're gonna try to prevent as much water as possible getting in the car. We got the new windshield in the Prelude. Safe Light came out. Guy came out to install it. I tore it all out, prepped it for him because there was some rust around the windows. So the guy came out, struggled for an hour and a half with my window seal, put the window seal on the window, and so I helped him out a little bit. Didn't want to listen to me, put the window seal on the heater, get it nice and pliable because it was cold. So another guy came out to try to help, and finally they listened to me, put it on the heater. I put the window seal on within 2 minutes, plopped the windshield in, boom, they're gone. Alright, so we got the windshield in, and we got the suspension all, the skunk 2 coilovers in, rims painted, new tires, and now some rain guards. And then we got a AM fuel pressure regulator to install here later on today. So we'll give you a look at the car now that has a windshield and some coilovers in it. It was rubbing in the rear. I raised it a little bit. I don't like it that high because the fitment's not as great, but it does rub. So I lifted it just a little in the rear. So I'll show you that, and we'll show you some parts, and we'll get to installing these rain guards. So that's how she's sitting now, nice and low in the front. I like the fitment in the front, and then fitment in the rear. Now that I raised it a little bit, hopefully it doesn't rub. I really don't want to go any higher than this. I really liked where it was at. But yeah, I got the rims all painted. It's looking actually pretty decent. Here's the rain guards. Window rain guards we're gonna install. Show you how to do these if you guys don't already know how to do it. So yeah, I'll show you. We'll do one side together and I'll do the other side and it'll be done. So until the AM fuel pressure regulator comes in today, that's what we're doing. Alright, so what you're going to need for this job is a Phillips screwdriver and an 8mm, and of course your rain guard. What you do first is you open up the door, you take off the mirror cover. This one's going to fight a little bit. It's really fighting. Alright, maybe you need a flathead too to get that off, but alright, got cover off. Undo the Phillips a little bit. You don't have to fully take it out. Undo the Phillips a little bit, undo the 8mm a little bit, get that mirror a little loose so you can get the rain guard underneath there so it doesn't just fall off on you. Alright, so got that. Another thing you're going to need, some paper towel, some 91% alcohol, clean the window where the seal is going to, where the adhesive is going to go to. Already did that, so let's move on. Don't forget to do that, otherwise shit will be falling off on you when you go down the road. Alright, comes with some adhesive here. All the red, you pull that off. But Al, one more. Come on. Get my face in here a little bit. Not that you guys want it in there. Alright, so I got all the adhesive off. So it doesn't stick to anything else until you're ready. Alright, so now we stick this part underneath. Let's open the door. We lift our mirror up a little bit. Get that underneath. Come on, get underneath there. Shimmy her down where you need her. Come on, get down. Line her all up. That looks alright right there to me. Press down, rub along the whole edge. Don't do this end until you got this firmly all the way pressed down, because this will stop it from adhering at this corner right here. If you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. This corner, the last little edge right here. Just press this all the way down along so you get there, go back. Do a couple passes like this, because otherwise this corner won't stick. Just found that out. This one looks good. Now we tighten up our mirror. Phillips, 1 8mm, 1 Phillips. Not too tight, you'll break your mirrors. You don't want them falling off neither. Tighten those up. Put your cover back on. Your little cover for your inside mirror, so it's not all ugly. So blow. Those don't look too half bad. Now I gotta get my windows tinted. Get the windows tinted. These are looking fresh. These are looking fresh, alright? Give you a little walk around now. And we'll do the other side. I already did it, really. So we looking fresh on the windows now. No more rain in the car. Looking good. I like those. It's pretty fresh. Gotta get it registered now so I can drive it. I've been driving it here and there, but police looked at me like I was crazy the other day when I passed him. He knows me though. So I got this side on. Very simple, same process. Just going back, rubbing, making sure they're on there because it is cold. Not too bad. I like it, I like it. Little shot of this side. Ooh, she's getting there, guys. I only got 817 miles on this motor since I rebuilt it in the last year, last winter actually. I didn't put much on it all summer. I needed other parts, and then I started on the Del Sol. So if you like what I'm making here, like and subscribe. thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like the Prelude and how it's coming out. Let me know if I should put a wing on it, like a little spoon wing or something. I'm gonna try to get the windows tinted. And yeah, maybe a hood. Till next time, guys. Thank you.